What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Guys Adventures video. Going to pick Kenny up right now, headed to his house. We're What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Guys Adventures video. Headed to my boy Kenny's house. It's currently 6:25 in the morning. We're headed to a crooked creek to do some trout fishing. We're gonna be targeting 4 different types of trout: brook trout, rainbow trout, brown trout, and tiger trout. Y'all stay tuned, it's gonna be another good one. What's up, Kenny?
Hey, what's happening?
You ready to go,
Time
man?
to go catching.
Oh yeah.
Catching some fish.
Got the rod loaded in here. Bringing the goods. I like that little spinning rod, man. That's nice. All right, guys. We here at Kenny's house. He's getting in the truck. Ready to go. I got some goodies, man.
Oh, hell yeah.
Got all the stuff in there. Little chest mount. All kinds of little hookup, little hands and stuff. All the little screws come in a little bag. That's the new GoPro.
Sweet.
It's rolling. All right, man. What are we doing?
Egg McMuffin, cup of coffee, orange juice.
Going to the
Next.
McDonald's. Get us a bite to eat. We going to Walmart?
We're going to try Wolfglade first. They usually got power bait and stuff there. But if they don't have it there, we'll go to Wally World.
Aye.
Get some power bait.
We going to get you want any worms or anything?
I got 2 dozen.
Oh,
I'm already
we
strapped.
already said. We said we pulling into McDonald's right now. Get us a little bite to eat.
Little Mickey D's. You catching or catch and release today?
Are you keeping?
Hey, I'm thinking so.
Yeah, I'll probably keep 2 then, man. That fish fry that we had the last time was awesome, man. God, it was good.
Well, I'm gonna take you to my secret spots.
Oh, you gonna show me the ropes, huh? I'm excited. I feel honored, Kenny.
Well, wouldn't do it just for anybody.
Okay, well that makes me feel very special.
But for 1995, people, just call me. I want a sausage and egg McMuffin and a large orange juice and a small coffee.
Sausage and egg McMuffin.
Mm-hmm. No cheese.
Going to get some bait, Kenny?
Gonna go get some bait. I'm hungry. Power bait.
Power bait.
Nope. Oh shoot.
Oh
we ain't getting it
man,
here.
we ain't getting it here.
That
Damn.
was a disappointment. See the lock just go out of my face. No.
But we're going to Walmart now. No, God.
All else fails, go to Wally World.
Wally World.
Wally World.
We got our goods from the Walmart. Loading up. We're gonna hit the creek now. Oh, hey, we gotta unlock it.
Let me in.
No, Kenny, I'm only unlocking one side.
Come on. I want to go too.
All right, show us your goods, man.
All right. It's not happening right yet, but 8 test pound line for the new spinning reel.
Oh yeah.
Size 6 eagle claws.
Oh yeah.
1 Joe fly to go.
1 Joe fly to go.
2 hefty little jars of power bait. Can't beat the yalla. Well, shrimp egg. Anyway, same difference.
Same difference. It'll work.
Going to do the job.
We're ready to rock.
Had to restock after my wife went fishing and used all my stuff.
No, she
We
didn't.
won't tell her until she sees the video.
Until she's. All right, here we go.
She didn't even invite me.
She didn't even take you?
No.
Dude, that's brutal, man.
I know it.
That's rough. That's a cut to the throat.
It is.
Cut to the throat.
It's all right though. A little Mickey D's coffee.
Hammer down.
nectar of life. Heck yeah. On the way to the trout creek. Gonna catch it. Creeks to the left. We're going to go up here just above the main parking lot. If no one's pulled off up at the bridge, we're going to start there, fish down through to the parking lot, then walk back up, grab the truck, and move down the creek. Hopefully we're going to get us some good trout this morning. It's a beautiful day here on Crooked.
Gorgeous day.
We're excited. You excited, Brady?
I'm very excited, man. I've never been here, so this is the first time for me.
No kidding.
First time for me,
I forget how many miles this creek is. It's a lot of miles, a lot of awesome fishing, a lot of good secluded spots.
I've only seen a couple.
Right here's where I caught. Let me show you. Is it right here? No, going up. Going up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I'll show you where I caught that one citation at.
Nice little spot right there, though.
Yeah, yeah, we're going to do some good spots. That one trout that I told you I missed. 2 days later, boy was there, and the guy caught it, weighed 10 pounds.
Oh,
10-pound rainbow. It would have broke off with me and Keisha, and Tyler was running up the creek to try to net it for me.
Dude,
it broke off. 10 pounds, no lie. It was on the website.
Wow. That's huge, man. I bet you that thing was this wide.
Dude, it was like trying to pull a log in.
I bet, man. I'd be happy with anything like that today.
Oh yeah. There's a section up here I like to fish.
Sweet. Water looks good though, man.
Oh yeah.
Water looks great.
I'm excited.
Oh, I'm pumped, man. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever been down here to fish.
I've sat here, I don't know how many mornings been down here fishing, and turkeys be right up here on the side of this hill up here just hammering. Oh, there was a little baby deer come in the parking lot, and the little table up here beside the building, it laid down underneath the table. It was a little baby deer.
No kidding.
Yeah.
I've been seeing a lot of phones lately. Somebody rolling out with a camper.
What you doing up here in my waters?
What you doing in my waters, boy? My name's all Craig.
Now, the other day when I was up here, them 2 citation brooks I caught right up here.
Nice.
Right here.
Right here? Nice, nice. It's going as planned. I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Boy. Alright, we have arrived.
Let's do
Ladies
it.
and gentlemen, we have arrived.
What's playing, Brady?
We're down here at Cook Creek, bro. We're going to do some bee fishing today.
Heck yeah. Stocked waters. Hopefully we'll get in some good trout today.
I think we're going to. We got our 10-car rod. We're going to do a little bit of fishing with that. Try this again. Starting off with some night crawlers. That's what you're starting off with, right?
That's what I'm going to start out with.
Night crawlers. We're going to go with that first.
I'm going to be running a night crawler on my fly pole. I got an Orvis reel, Dogwood Canyon rod. Got a nice little spinning setup here. I'm going to try it later. Just bought a new reel. So some Joe flies. Going to throw them a little later on today. It gets warmer. Hopefully we'll hook up on some of them. But meanwhile, it's hook, line, and sinker. Time to catch some fish.
Yeah, we got some gulp minnows. I like running these bad boys. They work really good. Kenny's got us some power bait from the Wally World. And I got my little spinning rod.
Hey man, it did good last time.
It did great last time. So yeah.
No kidding, it did.
Yeah, y'all stay tuned. We'll see you down at the water.
Heck yeah, let's do it.
Alright, give this 10-car a shot. See if we can't catch a brook on it. That's what I'm going for today, Kenny, is a brook, man. Get a worm toad on this bad boy. They're strapped and ready to rock. Let's go. See if we can't catch up with Kenny. I got the worm on, man. What you got? That water feels good. Woo! Woo! That is cold on them toes. Which way are we going? We going up or down? Oh, okay. I didn't mean to jump in front of you, man. That's what I'd like to catch today, man, is a brook trout. It's been a long time since I caught a brook trout. Oh, 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 did you see that? Took my worm. Kenny hooked us up with some night crawlers for this morning. Alright, let's go for it again. Whoa, whoa. Where's he at? Over there?
Yep. He hit it like 2 or 3 times.
I'm getting some bites right there, but it might be some chubs, man. I just had a good little nibble right there. Come on, baby. Got him, Kenny.
Heck yeah.
We got a rainbow?
Can't tell.
Yeah, pretty little rainbow, man.
Yeah. First fish of the day.
Oh, it's a beautiful one, dude.
Brady scores on the first one of the day. I think you did that last time.
Yeah, I did. Hey, I look back on that footage. First cast with that woolly bugger, dude. Oh, he's barely hooked, too. Man, that's a beautiful trout, dude. Pretty trout, though, man. Very pretty. Gorgeous little trout. Got him on the stringer.
Shoot, yeah.
First one of the day. Oh, 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 take it easy. Beautiful little rainbow. Real pink, man. Look how pink he is.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Courtesy of Kenny Stringer. That was fun, man.
Shit.
On a 10-car rod again.
10-car rod.
Ah, 10-car rod. Pinching worm. Slimy old booger. You got power bait on? No, back to wormy. Looks like a brown, bro. Yeah, he does have you wrapped around that tree. Looks like a brown from here.
Yeah, it is.
Nice. Oh, that's a beautiful one, man. Beautiful brown trout right there.
Barely hooked.
Very nice. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
oh, there he is.
There he went. That's all right.
Net right there, Kenny.
That's all right, dude. Let me go. He beat me all of it. Damn.
Dang! Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy. Gotta be one laid up in there somewhere. Oh, hit the money spot. Look out, I'm coming in there too, apparently.
Oh, yes.
Getting a bite?
Yep.
I'm gonna pull mine out. Looks like you got some tension on there. Kenny's hooked up something, it's going upstream, man. Another brown?
Yep.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, he's pretty.
Yeah, that's a good one, man. Heck yeah, man. Is it a brown?
Yeah.
Yes. We are 2 on board, man. Yes, sir. He's coming upstream.
Gonna net him or you gonna get him?
I'm gonna try and get him. If you can net him, net him. I'll bring him to you. I can't get him up here. He's getting in that current. Here he comes. He's coming back to you. Oh, that's a beautiful trout, man. Really nice. There he is. He's coming back this way. Hold on. He's battling hard.
Oh, get down, get down, get down.
Oh, that's a solid fish. He is fighting for it, bro.
Yeah, he is. All right, here we go. I'm gonna go out there.
All right, I'm gonna try and bring him to you. Ready? Kenny going in for the kill. Going in for the kill. Yes!
He's in there. Heck yeah, nice one, Brady.
Beautiful trout. Nice. Stringer gonna be full today, man.
I hear you.
That's a big one.
You got him?
Yep. There we go, guys. Nice little brown going on the stringer. Beautiful, man. There we go.
Awesome.
Paint it.
That probably felt like a damn well on that rod.
It did, man. That's why I was like, dude, this is a good one. He's probably what, 12 or 13 inches or so? Well, we're starting the day off really good, man. We made it, what, 2 holes? Let's go for another one. Kenny's got one. Hooked up. What is it, man? What you got?
I don't know yet. I don't know yet. Oh, it's a little guy.
Little tiny one?
Yeah. But it's a fish.
Oh, it's a fish, bro.
Yep. I ain't gonna keep this one.
You gonna release that one?
Yeah.
Courtesy to the creek. He's wanting it, man. He's right there on this, just in that other side of that current. Got him. Oh, up in the sticks he goes. I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm bringing him to you. Where's he at?
He's trying to get on the stringer.
He's coming to me.
Got him?
Got him.
There you go.
Very nice, man. Appreciate the net again. Alrighty, man. We're gonna have a stringer full. There we go. How many we got so far? 4?
Just slip around my rod.
He's hooked up with another one. Oh, he's fighting good, man. Woo, look at that rod bending over. Is it a rainbow? Nice, man. Oh, you got him good on that one. That's a solid one, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Well done, man. Got here, dude. Here you go. Nice.
Yeah.
Phew. Take that stringer out. Very nice. Where are we headed, man?
Down creek.
Down creek. Try another spot with some spinning rods.
Yep, everybody got the old spinner.
Switching up gears. I'll break out the spinning rods. Let's see what we can get. Got some Crocs full of rocks. What's our success right now?
Well, I say we're about 85%. We've let, what, probably 4 or 5 go?
Yeah.
Easy.
4 or 5 for sure. One got away.
Yeah.
It happens.
It's kind of par for the course.
Yeah.
My first one's a fumble bumble.
Yeah, I think we did pretty good.
Daggone right, some pretty looking trout.
Without a doubt, man. All right. Let's go find another spot.
Let's go hit some spinning reels.
Let's do it. Here we go, here we go. Got rods laid out. The backpack on. Kenny, wait for me. Like a good little section here. Oh yeah. Lord yeah. Look at that rock over there. You know one's laid on that rock.
Dig him out.
I'm gonna dig him right now. Come on, first cast. Well, hey, you didn't start it off very good.
No. Not at all.
Kenny done hung up. Shoo! Got him. On the stringer it goes. Got him, boys. Oh. Not today. Dang it, man. He got off. Looks like a brook, man. It is.
Sweet.
It is. Check him out. Oh, he's gorgeous, man. Look how pretty he is, though. Gorgeous, man. Alright, we'll let him go. There you go, buddy. Sweet. First brook right there, man, in years. I'll take it, man. I'm happy with that.
All right, Brady, get him out. There you go. Hey, gotta start somewhere, bud.
Hell yeah! All right, let's try again.
He's right there in front of that rock.
I had him, dude. I thought I was hung up. I don't think he's gonna eat again. Got it.
There you go. Heck yeah, Brady. Nice one.
Oh, God.
Oh yeah, that's got some life in it.
Feisty little thing, ain't he?
Oh yeah. Way to go, Brady. Awesome job, buddy.
Oh, there he goes, dude.
Oh no. Quick.
Oh no. Woo! About went down. I stirred one up back there. Shot right between my legs.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, there's a good little hole right here. Let's see if we can't pull something up out of there. Right there. Got him. Come here, buddy. We'll let you go. All right, there you go. Quick release. Shoo, he soaked me, man. All right, guys, we got a really good hole. We're catching the hell out of them right here. Let's try it again. Got him. We're stocked up in this one, man. There we go. Pretty little brown trout. Let's get him back in the water. Here you go, buddy. Come back the other way. There we go. Bait up! Try again! I got a feeling there's a good one down here, bro.
Get it. There you go. See
that? Mine, come on.
See that one jump?
Let's go! We found a good little spot right here.
Oh, yeah.
Got him?
Oh, good.
All right, hold on, I got the camera. Kenny's got something good on there. Oh yeah. Woo!
Water walking.
Get him in, Kenny. Solid one, man. That's a big old, what is it, a brown?
Nice brown.
Nice brown, man.
You got some weight to him.
Yeah. On he goes. He's officially ours. Hold him up, Kenny. Very nice, man. Very nice.
Heck yeah.
Stringer looking good, too.
Let's do it again. I'm just gonna kick back here on my easy chair and keep doing what I'm doing. We're gonna give him the old quick release.
There you go. Good job, man. Let's get it.
caught it on fire bait.
I can't stand up over here.
No.
Did you? Yeah. Got him. Alright, yes. Here we go. Here we go, guys. And a nice little rainbow. We are slaying up! Power bait?
No, I didn't know.
Worm that time?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. Hell yeah, Brady.
Got another one. My camera died.
Here you go. Good job, Brady. Hold that puppy up.
Got it. Hell yeah! Woo, it's a big line. Yeah, baby. I got another one. Caught him off camera down there. My GoPro died on me as soon as I got down there.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera on because I'm gonna hook him. He's on there.
Get him, get him.
Oh yeah.
Got him?
Yeah, this is a decent one. Fish on.
Oh man, that's another good one, man. Kenny got hooked up. I wasn't even filming. Oh, he's coming over here. There he goes. He's a feisty one. That's another good one, man.
Mm-hmm. He is just barely hooked.
Yeah, he's barely on there.
Come here. You got a good job.
Yeah, that was easy.
All right, brother, your turn.
Way to go, Kenny. Boom.
That's what he's dying, dude.
He's hanging out with the other ones. Look at him.
All right, brother. Your turn. You're live, brother.
Live action. I was gonna get one first gas.
Oh yeah, he's hooked up. Oh yeah. Good one, Brady.
Very nice, man.
Heck yeah, my friend.
Sweet. Get him over here so we can see him good. There we go.
Nice, Brady. I'm gonna zoom in on him.
Yeah, go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh, there he goes. Quick. There he is.
Oh, first cast, dude. Very nice.
Oh,
Looks like a brown, man.
Yeah, he's excited.
Salt. Oh, no!
Well, that's all right. That's a good way to end the day, brother.
Hey, man, we caught a lot of fish. We caught a lot of fish. That's it, man.
I'm happy.
I'm very happy.
Got my blood pumping once again.
We
got a bunch of daggone fish to clean.
are limited out, man.
Oh yeah.
What a day, man. Let's get back to the truck.
Yeah, we gotta get walk back.
Yeah, we do. Shoo. Stringer full. Make our way back to the truck. All right, guys. Shoo! It was a good day, man.
It was
Awesome
a great day.
day.
It was a great day.
All
Good
the
day,
fish.
buddy.
Hell yeah, man. We caught, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We limited out today, man.
Hooked them up, buddy.
Yeah, we did.
Ripped some lips.
We did. We literally did. Now, we got hooked up down there in that one section down there. That was a good spot.
Yeah, we had a hole down there. It just kept giving trout to us.
Without a doubt, man.
Honestly speaking, I know a lot of guys say it, we probably throwed back as many as what we got, if not more.
Oh yeah, yeah, and we lost a bunch too. Just
Yeah.
a bunch come off, and
Yeah.
we had our GoPros rolling on our chest mounts, so hopefully we got some new footage to show y'all. Used our 10-car rod, a little spinning reel. Kenny had his little spinning reel rocking today.
Yeah, my fly pole, but it's in the truck. I'm not gonna get it back out, but yep. We've been
Solid,
jamming
man.
with the fly pole first thing this morning.
Solid day. Appreciate y'all watching. See y'all in the next one. Yeller. Thank God, man. I'm headed to pick my boy Kenny up. We're going trout fishing today. We're gonna...
I wanna go too.
No, Daddy. Get you straight. Oh, I didn't mean to pull your damn whiskers out.